Rahim. This is the 13th lesson whereby I'm going to take you through the process of test for fats. There are two methods that can be used to test for fats, that is grease spot test and oil emulsion test. For grease spot test, we need a filter paper and we also need the source of heat. So I'm going to start by turning on the source of heat, upon which we are going to start the practical straight away. The source of heat is here. Let me just turn it on. Yes, I've turned it on. Hope you are able to see that. Let's go direct to procedures. Procedure number 1. Smear the substance or you pour it onto the filter paper. So I have the substance to be tested here, which I'm suspecting to comprise of fats, and I also have the liquid that I'm going to use, that is water, so that we can see the difference. One should be negative while the other one is positive. Let me just indicate it here. I'm just indicating so that we can know which one is supposed to turn negative and which one are we expecting to turn positive. For the positive result, I'm taking this, though it's a solution, I'm going to just pour it onto this filter paper. I think you can see that. I've just poured it onto a filter paper. Then for the second one that is supposed to be negative, I'm just using water. That is procedure number 1. The one on my right hand side, I've poured a solution that I'm suspecting to contain fats, while on my left I've poured water, which I'm sure is a negative result. Procedure number 2, sway it sway it slightly above the flame, gently, without burning it. Here is my flame. I'm swaying it on a flame, gently, without burning it. I'm swaying both the two on a flame, gently, without burning it. You can see what I'm doing. I'm swaying it above the heat without burning. I'm swaying. The positive result, as you can see it, is on my right hand, while the negative is on my left hand. And procedure number 3, look at the filter paper against some light. When you look at it on my right hand side, I hope it's visible for you. You are able to see some translucent ring on the right hand side, and for the left hand side you're going to see some there is no translucent ring, it dries up. For this one here, there is a translucent ring, which confirms that the fats or oils were there. Therefore, this one being a positive test for presence of starch, using this method called grease spot test. That marks the end of this one here, when I was talking about the test for fats, and therefore we are going to also check on the last type of procedure that is used for testing for fats, that is called oil emulsion test, but that one will be in the next lesson, that is lesson number 14. Thank you for watching.